afternoon. Mr. Goodyear, you've got a motion that you want heard today?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Mr. Cedric.
Okay, Mr. Goodyear.
Your Honor,
I'm going to place you under oath first, if you don't mind. Raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you swear the testimony that you are about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks, sir. Okay, proceed.
I'm asking, of course, to remove Cedric off my case. There's several discrepancies in my case that I've asked for him to file. He's done nothing. This is here. Number one, he appointed him to me in May of 2016, and he's kind of misled you. There's like Brady violations going on with the state attorney's office. They're not showing you all the evidence in my case, Your Honor. I have Exhibit A here that I'm accused of allegedly sending Sheriff Mike Scott.
Attached to your motion is an somebody that will inspect the copy. Sir. Okay.
Anyway, Your Honor, that's page 99 of my discovery. Here's Exhibit B. It's altered on the police report. It's not the same email. The dates and times in which it was allegedly sent is different. I've asked him to present this evidence to the court. The email's not the same. And actually, on the arrest report, I wasn't even arrested. I was only detained in the back of Officer Monamy's patrol car for 2 hours. I've told him this repeatedly. It states nothing of a warrant in which any police report has to state a warrant. There's no warrant at the time the police were caught entering my home at 7:18 p.m. as my mother was there. They broke in the back of my house and they were going in the front on video without a warrant. I pointed this out to them. I'm not sure exactly what page of the discovery it is, but they held me for 2 hours, Your Honor, in front of the house, in which my mother will say, without a warrant, Your Honor, they were already in my home.
Mr. Goodyear, I understand that you're getting into the facts of the case.
All right. Well, I'm also. The facts are I've told him to file a motion to dismiss my charges on this, and he's done nothing. Now, the affidavit for the warrant was done after I was thrown in jail, Your Honor. It's right in my it's Exhibit D right here, Your Honor. I'd like you to see it. The email's altered. On page 4, or on page 15 of my discovery, the date is altered, Your Honor, from a 5 to a 4. It was done after the fact. I've told him to request an order for the timestamp of the search warrant. There was no warrant when they rolled into my house, or when they came to my house. I've explained to him, request a timestamp of the search warrant. I understand I'm getting into the facts of the case, but these are things that I've asked him to do. I've had this ankle bracelet on for almost a year here in a couple weeks, Your Honor. I was also arrested in June, on June, I believe, 10th, for a violation of a pretrial release in which the order was signed. The order for my warrant was, he's filed a motion to have the ankle bracelet off. It's been sitting there since September. He won't get a hearing for it. It shouldn't be on me. They intentionally arrested me, Your Honor. On the affidavit for the warrant, which I have here is Exhibit F, it's real clear it was intentionally done to me. He knows this, but he avoided getting me a hearing. Here's Exhibit D. It states that Dan from house arrest, and he's already stated in your courtroom that I was getting harassed. It states that Dan from house arrest it's real clear. 7:28 p.m. or 7:28 p.m. He didn't know what he wasn't being able to get a hold of me. He called me at 7:30, Your Honor. I have a witness right there. I called house arrest all night long. I got arrested the next day by U.S. Marshals on a bogus warrant. There's police misconduct all over this case, Your Honor, and he knows that he's done nothing. So does the state attorney's office. Why hasn't anybody done anything about this? You can't alter facts. That's because nobody's presenting them to the court, Your Honor. I've asked him to do this. I understand that this is not a motion to dismiss, but somebody may need to step up and take care of this. You don't alter a date on an affidavit for a warrant, Your Honor. You don't alter the alleged crime either.
For the status of this case at this time, Mr. Ryan?
Judge, I believe we're scheduled for a case management.
We're still at case management, we haven't had a good trial yet, have we?
What? Yeah. Oh, no. No.
Search my leg, Your Honor. You're supposed to file a motion. It's sitting here in front of you. My previous criminal history doesn't allow this.
Stop, sir. I'm asking Mr. Ryan
All
a
right.
question.
Excuse me.
Judge, looks like we're scheduled for a pretrial conference on March 7th.
March 7th coming up, okay.
There.
Your Honor, this is a motion to just take the same question off. I'm asking you to take it off, and I'll show it to court. I want it off my leg.
Mr. Goodyear, you understand what happens at a pretrial conference on March 7th?
I don't want him on my case.
I'm asking you a question.
Yes.
You understand what happens? All right, so we set a trial date.
Okay.
So, with regard to that aspect of it, and then any dispositive motions, if any are present or are going to be filed, will be and will be disposed of prior to trial.
Can I ask you a question, Your Honor, respectfully? You just looked at a fabricated evidence, so I need to dismiss right now.
Mr. Goodyear, I don't give legal advice. Quit doing that with us. Can the judge. Mr. Hall, do you have anything you want to tell me?
No, Your Honor, I think my involvement in the case stands on its own, Your Honor. I haven't had the deposition that I've been explaining to this court on what I have been doing on this case, Your Honor. So, rest on that.
All right, sir. And I assume you have been exercising your professional judgment in the way this matter is being handled. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm just going through the process, Your Honor. Like I said before, the last court date that we had, there was an additional witness.
He's making them up.
Mr. Goodyear, stop.
Stop.
All right, I'm sorry.
When I talk to you, I'll ask you a question.
I apologize, Your
All right, sir.
That may lead to a motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
And that witness has not been deposed as yet?
Not that,
Okay, is the deposition set that you know of?
not yet.
Okay, why not?
I haven't done anything.
Okay. Yes, sir, Mr. Goodyear.
I'm asking him to remove him off my case.
Well, you have to state sufficient grounds in order to...
Sufficient grounds is not presenting the evidence to the courts to dispose of this case.
Sir,
He's Your Honor, he's conned us, he's went, oh, my God, witnesses over there, he's done nothing, you know it, you see it, it's in the case file.
I can't say that at all.
I
You
can't.
need to, how come he's got a motion sitting there and said, trying to get the antichrist off, he's got a motion to court to
Here at the time, the presentation of evidence is on a response.
Well, I would like my name.
All right, sir. Okay?
Oh, shit.
Time to present evidence in a case is either at the time of the dispositive motion or at the time of trial. That's when evidence is presented.
I asked you to do this, sir.
Well, sir, it's coming up. We're going to handle the case, and it's going to proceed on according to the schedule we've already set. March 7th, we've got a pretrial conference coming up. I assume that depositions are going to proceed in this manner, and if there are dispositive motions that come out of that deposition, and Mr. Hall is in a position to do so, given the information that you plan on giving.
He doesn't talk to him.
We'll do it at that time, at the appropriate time, and we'll make an appropriate ruling. All right, sir.
I can't believe it.
Dispose of it, dispose of it on its merits. If not, we'll proceed on to trial. All right, that's all I can tell you at this point in time. I don't think I've seen anything in your motion that gives me a legal basis to find that
Never talked to him.
Mr. Hall
Never
has
called
been
him. Never
ineffective.
responded.
I'd be happy with some of the advice he may have given you at this point in time, but I have no idea, and that's not my place at this point. All right, sir? So I'm going to deny your motion. I'm not going to replace it at this time, especially this close to the pre-trial conference and getting this case to a final trial docket.
Homeland Security. Homeland Security. I don't do this.
You've got sufficient time to get the case in the posture you need it in. If you need to file any motions, get depositions and further discovery done, and We will see you back on March 7th.